The colour palette for this semester has been carefully pieced together. Here we see a range of natural, warm and cool shades to choose from to give the root area a subtle shadow or definition. The lighter tones in the palette, like golden peach or soft rose pink, are seasonal colours which you can use to infuse the lengths and ends of your client's hair with more playful tones. Let's take a look at the overview of the models we have created to bring alive the Luxelights colour movement. Here you see cool brunette, honey blonde, rose blonde and warm brunette. It's important to know that this isn't just a service for clients with a regrowth of grey hair. Based on the continued popularity of balayage, it's clear that many clients are still looking for services which can deepen the root area and bring multi-tonality to the lengths and ends. This is a great technique to easily transition your classic highlight clients towards more of a balayage appearance. All of these looks use a variation of the Luxelights technique. A shadow deeper root, lightness through the lengths and ends, and finished with a gloss for high shine and tonal infusion. For more information on the colour movement and how to recreate these looks yourself, download the Luxelights Create book. Thanks for listening.